Uncertainty.
Strange.
It's a challenge.
Transformation.
Accelerating.
Challenge.
One of our major clients called us for the delivery of 150 sessions of virtual classrooms. The topic had to be related to smart working because everybody was working at home, and the delivery had to be done in less than 2 months.
A full remote program for a pharmaceutical company. 300 people trained over 3 weeks on the sales method. It was a learning path with alternating virtual classroom and individual or group training sequences.
One of the most remarkable client projects is a huge IT reskilling initiative for a major German car manufacturer. Within a few days only, our teams managed to switch from a purely face-to-face classroom setting into a virtual classroom learning environment.
Our branch in Lisbon in Portugal are very strong in team building, in events, and they have designed a program in collaboration with a client. It's about beer, about love, about gamification. Looks awesome.
Our Neuroscience for Human Resources open course that had a 100% NPS was amazing.
An international sales convention that they had to postpone because of COVID. And we actually approached them and said, why don't we try to do a virtual staging of this and just live stream it around the world. They accepted our challenge.
Remote management.
Leading through crisis.
Remote management.
IT training.
Remote management.
Remote collaboration.
Remote everything.
These days we all work in different cities and from home. During online meetings, often we introduce our families to each other, and this creates an even more personal atmosphere in our working collaboration.
Well, a lot of them happened. Some of them very formal, some of them less informal, but we had cats appear on stage, dogs, kids, everybody around.
Well, for every team meeting I scheduled, I put a different object behind me here. So the team would be curious what will be there next time, and well, I thought maybe it would add to their motivation to connect.
No real anecdotes, but good times of fun by observing some haircuts initiatives.
The most funny thing was when our director was doing a training, he used a backdrop and his ear disappeared, so he spent the whole training with only one ear appearing, and probably the participants were laughing out loud.
The meeting was going a little bit long, and lunchtime was arriving, and the son of the lady that was speaking on the screen arrived behind her and said to his mother, "Hey mama, you promised me that you would have cooked spaghetti with sausages. Remember, it's lunchtime, you promised."